Hello friends, welcome to Code Generators. Myself Prachi Sahu, and in this video we will write a code to find whether the given number is prime number or not. Now first of all I will just give you a brief idea of what prime numbers are. Prime numbers are numbers which are greater than 1 and it has only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. For example, 11 is a prime number because 11 is greater than 1, and secondly 11 has only two factors, that is 1 and 11, which also means that 11 is only divisible by 1 and 11. So let's see how to write code to check whether the number is prime number or not. First, we will ask the user to enter input using an input function. So, for a number to be a prime number, it should be greater than 1. So, we will use here if condition. If num is greater than 1, if it is greater than 1, then we will use a for loop. As you know that in for loop, num is not included. So, the range is between 2 to num minus 1. Why we are using this range? Because we know that every number is divisible by 1 and itself. So, we will start our range from 2 to number minus 1. And here we will use if condition to check whether the number is divisible by any number between 2 to num minus 1. If it is divisible, then that number is definitely not a prime number. We are using break here because if a number is divisible by 2, then it has 3 factors and the prime numbers only have 2 factors. So we will not further check for 3, 4, 5 and 6. So here we will use break and we will use else condition. So here we will use else condition for loop. So else if the number is not divisible between 2 to num minus 1, then definitely it's a prime number. So we will print the given, the entered number is a prime number. And our next task is what if the number is what if the number entered by the user is equal to 1. So here we will give an else if condition. If num is equals to 1, then we will print number is neither prime nor composite. And what if user have entered a negative number? Because as we know, prime numbers are always greater than 1. That means prime numbers are always a positive number. If user entered a number less than 1, then we will have to print that it is not a prime number. So else so let's run our program. So let's enter first 11. So we are getting that entered number is a prime number. Let's rerun the program and enter. Let's rerun the program and enter 27. So 27, as 27 has more than 2 factors, that is 1, 3, 9 and 27 itself, then so it is not a prime number. And let's check what happens when the user enter a negative number. So as negative numbers are not prime number, it is showing the correct result. Let's enter one more. We will enter 101. Let's check. So yes, it is a prime number. Hence, this is our program to check whether the number is prime number or not. Thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe to our channel. If you find this helpful, give a thumbs up. If you have any doubt regarding this, let me know in the comment section. Goodbye.